Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I'm Henry, and every day I'm answering you guys' comments on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, or even your direct messages to us. And a constant comment and message I always get is clean your glass using either vinegar, newspaper, or water. So today I'm actually gonna give it a test on this beautiful FRS behind me. I'm gonna be using vinegar with my generic towels. I'll be using my newspaper with my generic glass cleaner. I'll be using my water with my paper towels. And at the end, I'm gonna show you guys how to properly clean your guys' glass using Chemical Guys Streak Free and our 2-towel method. For our first test, we actually have water and our paper towels, so let's get started. Get about 2 sheets of paper towels. I'll put my paper towels down. Let me go ahead and fold my paper towels into a square. And now I'll get my water. Pour a little bit of water onto my paper towel to add lubrication and get the most cleaning power out of it, since that's what you guys say. I'll go onto my glass and start wiping in one direction. And you guys can already see that water does not do justice to me because it doesn't dry up. I'll flip over to a clean side, and it's still streaking up. It did dry up a little bit, but there's still streaks right there. Let me run my finger through there and you can see that there's streaks right there. So this test was a fail. Let's move on to the next one. For test number 2, we have newspaper and our generic glass cleaner. So simply, I'll go ahead and crumble up the paper. And I already have a little ball. I'll spray my product onto the surface, spray some onto my newspaper, and start cleaning it. One thing I already noticed, my fingers are running through the newspaper because it's actually not sturdy enough to handle these muscles. I'm joking, it's just not sturdy enough. Put my glass cleaner down, flip my newspaper, go back and forth, and it's not cleaning up. It's actually just streaking. I don't know what you guys be doing with this newspaper, but it doesn't actually clean up. They failed. Newspaper's falling everywhere. Look at this. If I run my finger through it again as a finger test, it's streaking. So now let's try to clean the interior of this FRS. I'm actually not going to clean it. The reason why is because this newspaper, whenever you actually crumble it up and you actually use glass cleaner on it, it actually causes very sharp edges, which could actually scratch the interior, which is a tint of this car. And on the exterior, it's streaked up, so why am I gonna streak up the interior? For test number 3, we have our vinegar and our cloth. Simply, I'll go ahead and apply or drop a little bit of vinegar onto my cloth. One thing I already hate, it actually just ran onto my hand, and I hate the smell of vinegar, so I'm not a true fan of it already. I'll go to my glass and start wiping in one direction. And like I said, vinegar does not actually have any lubrication, so I'm actually just rubbing the grime onto the glass. I could be scratching it, but I just want to show you guys that vinegar does not actually work on the glass. So I'll simply turn it over to a clean side and wipe it off. It's not actually drying, leaving streaks left behind. I'm going up and down. To dry it completely off, I'm actually gonna get some paper towels and fold it and clean it up. I do start to see that it actually is cleaning a little bit, but me personally, I wouldn't clean the glass of my vehicle with it. 1, because it smells bad. 2, because it has no lubrication and I don't want to scratch the glass on my truck, so I don't want to do that. Keep the vinegar inside. So now let's move on to Streak Free, so I can show you guys how to properly clean your glass using one simple product and 2 towels, and it doesn't smell bad and it cleans great. So now that you guys seen us clean our glass with vinegar, water, and newspaper, and you guys saw it's failed, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to properly clean your glass using Chemical Guys Streak Free and our 2-towel method, which are waffle weaves. So simply, you'll go ahead and get a clean microfiber towel. In this occasion, I'm using red. My clean off towel will be blue. So I'll simply go ahead and spray the surface of the glass with my glass cleaner. And the reason why I love the waffle weave is because it actually has waffle-like grooves, which will encapsulate the dirt and not actually scratch the glass of this vehicle. You guys can see that grime came off. It stayed in a straight line. So I'll flip over to a clean side and I'll wipe in one direction as well. And I'm rolling my towel as I go, so I won't be rubbing the same exact grime into the glass. So now that's already on there, I'll get my wipe off towel, which is a blue one, and I'll buff off any residue that the glass cleaner might left behind. And with a simple wipe, it's not smelling bad, it cleaned it up, and now I have 20/20 vision. There you guys have it. You guys actually witnessed me try vinegar, newspaper, and water, and you guys saw that it actually failed. Vinegar has no lubrication. It kind of cleaned up, but it mostly streaked, but nonetheless, it smelled horrible. Newspaper, I actually was not a big fan of it at all, especially because this FRS has very expensive tints, and the newspaper just drags the grime and can possibly scratch it. Check this out, guys. It's actually just ripped right open. Water has no lubrication, just like I said for vinegar. It just drags. Paper towels actually has no type of grooves like a waffle weave microfiber towels that encapsulate the dirt, removes it off safely, and delivers a streak-free view. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to our next video where Joey protects the glass on this FRS with Hydro Slick. See you guys then.